Morning. Hiding under the trees because it's raining again. British summertime. Dark and rain. Off a very good way. And back out into the rain. Yeah, quite a narrow little road that. There you go, welcome to the office. If it is a wet one. You're getting good again. Here we go. Tell you're in England. More roadworks. At least traffic lights are working on these. That's roadworks there. Slow down, since you're going out. First thing you got here, very old world there. What's the area called? Outlet. I'm not sure if it comes under Huddersfield or Calderdale. Anyway, still raining. Italian restaurants. You've got a chippy up here. What it's like, I don't know, that's driving. See if it's open at the weekend trains.